Welcome back to the channel everyone, where we explore the latest vehicles, affordable mobility solutions, and upcoming automotive trends from around the world. If you enjoy honest reviews, compact city cars, and smart alternatives for daily commuting, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because today we're taking a close look at one of the most unique urban vehicles of the year, the 2026 Bajaj Qute RE60. The Bajaj Qute has always stood out as a different kind of vehicle, and the 2026 model continues that philosophy with thoughtful improvements aimed at city users. Designed as a quadricycle rather than a traditional car, the Qute focuses on affordability, efficiency, and ease of use, making it especially popular in crowded urban environments and developing markets. Starting with the design, the 2026 Bajaj Qute keeps its compact and upright shape, which makes it perfect for navigating narrow streets and tight parking spaces. The updated front fascia features refreshed headlamps, a cleaner grille design, and subtle body refinements that give it a more modern look while maintaining its practical character. The short overhangs and tall roofline help maximize interior space without increasing the overall footprint, which is a big advantage in busy cities. Step inside, and you'll notice that the cabin is simple, functional, and built with durability in mind. The 2026 Qute offers seating for 4 passengers, with improved cushioning and better fabric quality compared to earlier models. The dashboard layout is straightforward, featuring a compact instrument cluster, basic controls, and storage spaces for daily essentials. While it's not loaded with luxury features, Bajaj has focused on comfort and usability, making it suitable for both personal use and commercial applications. Under the hood, the 2026 Bajaj Qute RE60 is powered by a small, efficient engine designed for low running costs. Depending on the market, it is expected to offer petrol, cum, or LPG options, delivering excellent fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The engine is tuned for city driving, providing smooth acceleration at low speeds and enough power for everyday commuting without unnecessary complexity. This makes the Qute an ideal option for short trips, ride-sharing, and last-mile transportation. One of the biggest highlights of the Bajaj Qute is its exceptional fuel economy. With rising fuel prices, the 2026 model continues to offer impressive mileage, helping owners save significantly on daily expenses. The lightweight construction plays a key role here, allowing the vehicle to deliver strong efficiency while maintaining stability and control on urban roads. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Bajaj Qute includes essential features suited to its category. A stronger chassis, improved braking performance, seat belts for all passengers, and better visibility contribute to a safer driving experience. While it doesn't compete with full-sized cars in terms of advanced safety tech, it offers what's necessary for controlled city usage, keeping affordability as a priority. Driving the Bajaj Qute in city conditions is where it truly shines. The compact dimensions make U-turns, parking, and traffic navigation extremely easy. The suspension setup is tuned for urban roads, absorbing small bumps and uneven surfaces comfortably. It's not built for highways or high-speed travel, but within city limits, it feels practical, efficient, and stress-free. The 2026 Bajaj Qute RE60 is especially appealing to first-time buyers, small families, business owners, and fleet operators looking for a low-cost mobility solution. Its affordable pricing, low maintenance requirements, and simple mechanical design make it a smart alternative to two-wheelers and auto rickshaws, offering better protection from weather and improved comfort. In conclusion, the 2026 Bajaj Qute RE60 remains a unique and purposeful vehicle in today's automotive landscape. It's not trying to be a luxury car or a performance machine. Instead, it focuses on what matters most for urban users: efficiency, affordability, and practicality. For those looking for a compact, economical, and reliable city vehicle, the new Bajaj Qute continues to be a sensible and forward-thinking choice.